Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put the perfect profile picture for your Instagram account, either if you are a person or if you're a business. And the first thing you want to do if you're a person and if you're a business, but let's say we go to for the person first, is go here to edit profile, change photo, new profile photo, and let's say we have specific photos here. Something that you do not want to do is you do not want to put a photo like this. And the reason for that is that the Instagram picture is already small. If you go here, you will see it's a little circle. And if you put a photo like this, then it's gonna be not so good, not so professional, and it's not gonna be very professional, and it's not gonna be shown very good. So what you want to do is to put a picture like this and closely to the camera or to the picture and be shown like this. You could also put a picture like this and be a good fit or a good matching, but you do not want to put a picture like this because it's far away from the camera, far away from the picture. And now on the second part, if you are a business, you definitely want to put a picture that is 500 by 500. And now I can show you also in Mars. We go here, you see, because it is 500 by 500, it looks full. It looks like there are no extra, extra pixels or extra, extra space around the photo. It is a circle, it's good, it's beautiful, and you put it like this. If you go also to, let's say, Nike, you see it's full. So it is recognizable easily when someone searches. So yeah, basically this is it for the perfect photo. And the basic concept is you want to be shown, if you're a person, close to the camera or close to the picture, as Yanis is shown here. And if you are a business, you want to put your logo fully in the picture with no spaces around, with no other colors around and things like that. And this is it for this video. Put it into application and I will see you in the next one.